tested how quiet the Honda brush cutter is. When you work in the early morning, at night, or in a quiet place, the noise of brush cutter bothers you, doesn't it? The Honda 4-stroke engine brush cutter is quiet and easy to operate. Let's test how quiet Honda brush cutter is. The questioner will make a sound at a distance from the brush cutter while the engine is running, and we will test if the respondent can hear the sound. The sound will be heard at 3 points, A, B, and C. The distance between the questioner and the respondent will be at 3 meters. The test will be done using the UMK 435T, which is Honda 4-stroke engine brush cutter, and the general 2-stroke engine brush cutter. First, let's start with the 2-stroke engine model. Start at point A, 12 meters from the brush cutter.
What is your hobby?
Next is point B, 8 meters from the brush cutter.
Do you have a driver's license?
Finally, there is point C, which is 4 meters away from the brush cutter.
Did you eat breakfast?
Next, let's take a look at Honda 4-stroke engine brush cutter. Start at point A, 12 meters from the brush cutter.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Next is point B, 8 meters from the brush cutter.
Which do you like, winter or summer?
Finally, there is point C, which is 4 meters away from the brush cutter.
Which do you like, coffee or tea?
Let's look at the result. With the general 2-stroke engine, respondent was able to hear at only point A, which is 12 meters from the brush cutter. With Honda, respondent was able to hear up to point C, which was only 4 meters from the brush cutter. As you can see, Honda has a lower volume, and you can talk even when the operator is around you. The sound energy of the UMK 435T is about 1/3 of that of competitors' 2-stroke engine model, which means the volume of UMK 435T is about half of 2-stroke engine model. There is no shrill sound, which makes the sound quieter. With Honda 4-stroke engine brush cutter, you can work quietly and comfortably.